What is going on, guys? So today I'm going to show you how to open the same file in two different spots using Visual Studio Code Split Editor. So as you can see here on the left hand side, I have this file, and let's say I just want to look at the classes that I've created here, but also code at the bottom, but I just want to see the properties and I want to see how I can use them. Just as you can see, I have it open right here and I can do that no problem. So basically all you have to do to get this feature here is you go to the top right up here on Split Editor, or you can just do Control \. There's the keyboard shortcut for it. But yeah, just click here and boom, it'll bring up the same file and it'll just be another copy of it. But if I scroll down here and I start typing something like, let's say, test comment, now you're probably wondering, is it going to appear on this left hand side? And the answer is yes, it will, because Visual Studio Code takes care of this for you, and I really appreciate that, which is why I use this feature a lot. But yeah, if you want to see this live in action, I can even go on this side and start typing random things, and as you can see on the right hand side, it is showing up too. So pretty cool feature, and whenever you're ready to go, all you have to do is just save one of these files and it'll save it on both sides. So it's like having the same file open twice, but you can just scroll through and Visual Studio dynamically updates everything for you. Very useful, quick tip. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, please drop a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.